Our next experiment is called magic milk. This is similar to our previous experiment. The only difference is that we are using milk instead of water, and here we are going to use different colors of our food dye. So shall we see the things needed for this experiment? First, we would need a plate, preferably a white plate, because only then we can see the different colors. We will need some milk, and we also need food dye. Here I am using different colors: pink, green, red and yellow. So I am using 4 different colors of food dye. However, you can use as many colors as you want. You need just 1 drop of each color, and you will also need the liquid detergent that we used in the previous experiment. So once more, what do we need? We need a plate, preferably white in color, some milk, our food dye of different colors. As I told you, you can use any colors and as many colors as you want. Then we need our liquid detergent, and finally we would require some earbuds. Shall we begin our experiment? So I am going to start by pouring the milk into the glass plate. So the milk has spread out over the surface of the plate. Our next step is to add our food dye. I am adding 1 drop of each of the colors that I have. First I added red, then green, pink and yellow. So it looks colorful now. My next step is to dip one end of the earbud in the liquid detergent, and when I place it on the plate, did you see that? It looks beautiful, doesn't it? The splitting of all the colors. Yes. And why does this happen? Like I told you, it's surface tension. And now when we place the detergent in the liquid, the surface tension gets broken, causing the milk to move away from the earbuds, carrying the food coloring along with it. So this experiment is actually a very beautiful one. The more colors you use, your experiment becomes more colorful. So once again, I'll tell you what we did in this experiment. We first poured the milk in a plate, and then we added our food coloring, 1 drop of each color, after which we dipped our earbud into the liquid detergent and placed it in the center of the plate. And what did we observe? The colors moved away from the center of the plate. So it was a very beautiful sight. You have already seen this experiment, but now you know the science behind it.